is conceived just to announce the people of Malimono that we are doing something unique for our college. The point here in this program is the call for all the Filipinos to restore the values that has been forgotten.
It is good to praise the Lord.
100% attendance among the faculty and staff during the flag ceremony.
Gamahanan ng Ginoo. He is merciful and faithful.
The Filipino people to be responsible.
I am willing to sacrifice my time, my effort, even though sometimes that means nga ma-behind ko sa klase usahay.
Diya sa pangingit na lumang kinabuhi, nagkinahanglan tao kahayag manang tagaan tas Ginoo kahayag.
Lord our God, may your goodness and love be present among us today. Come, bless our gathering with, Lord, we pray for the unity. Build in us all the deep respect for one another, so that your church may be one.
We are expecting that with these values, we will live a godly and righteous life. Number one, number two,